Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and as you can see I'm cooking up my curls. Check out my last video and you see where I installed them. I had wanted to do zipper curls, but that was a fail, but I will try again at some point. And I ended up doing trusty old pipe cleaner curls, and I realized I never made a video on how to sleep with pipe cleaners or with rods. You know, my preferred curl method is perm rods, and these tips on how to sleep in these pipe cleaners apply to perm rods as well. Tip number 1, when you're applying your pipe cleaners or your rods, make sure you don't apply them too tightly to the scalp. And that's one of the reasons why whenever I do curls, I don't do them with a retwist. Because one, the retwist is not going to last when you don't apply the perm rods or the pipe cleaners tightly to the scalp, or close to the scalp I should say. But I don't mind because I do like the volume that I get with the no retwist with curls, so that's okay with me. But the reason why I recommend that you don't apply the perm rods or the pipe cleaners too close to your scalp is because when you're laying down on your head, it creates a lot of tension and it hurts. It pulls and tugs at your roots and it's uncomfortable. But when you make it a little slack, you're able to rest your head a lot more comfortably. So try not to apply them too close to your roots or too close to your scalp. Tip number 2, sleep with a really fluffy pillow. So if you have really flat, worn out pillows, you may want to upgrade and get you some full fluffy pillows. The extra softness is gonna add to your comfort when you're resting your head trying to go to sleep. And tip number 3, don't neglect your bonnet or your scarf. Your hair is exposed, so that moisturizing that you did before you applied your rods or your pipe cleaners is gonna get absorbed into your pillowcase if you are not covering your hair, especially if you're not using a satin pillowcase, which I highly recommend. But even if you do sleep on a satin pillowcase like I do, I still recommend that you use a bonnet or a really big scarf because that's also going to add to your comfort. And specifically if you do use pipe cleaners for your curls, then that bonnet or that scarf is going to help to keep your pillowcase nice and safe, because sometimes the metal in the pipe cleaners can poke into the pillowcase and snag at it, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to ruin your pillowcase. So I hope these tips help. As usual, head over to KeishaCharmaine.com. Right now we have a $25 off offer. If you place an order of $99 or more, you can get $25 off with the code WEEKEND44. Don't miss these savings. And if you have a passion for creating your handmade products, whether it's for your hair care, skin care, or what have you, and you're ready to turn your passion into profit by starting your own business, or maybe you've already started a business but you want to grow it, definitely check out my course, From Passion to Profit. And if you already have an established business and an online presence, but your growth is stagnant, you can now book a one-to-one call with me, and I can give you a brand audit where I will do a deep dive into your online presence, whether that be your social media, your websites, and I will give you a personalized game plan for your strategic growth. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.